Hey gorgeous, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share today's video with you. Today I've got something super exciting for you. 5 fabulous hijab styles you can rock without a cap. Whether you're in a rush or just want to try something new, these styles are perfect for any occasion. Yep, you heard me right. No cap needed. Sometimes you just want to skip that extra layer, so let's dive right in. These styles are not only easy, but also super stylish. First up, the effortless drape. This one's perfect for when you're in a rush, but still want to look chic. It's quick, simple, and gives you that effortlessly elegant look. Start by placing your hijab on your head with one side longer than the other. Make sure it's comfortable and secure. Wrap the longer side around your head once, and then just let it drape over your shoulder. This creates a beautiful flowy look. Adjust the front to frame your face, and voila! You have a stunning, effortless style. You're ready to slay the day. Whether it's a casual outing or a quick errand, this style has got you covered. Next, we have the classic twist. Begin with your hijab centered on your head. This style is timeless and versatile. Take both ends and twist them together in front of you. Make sure the twist is tight enough to stay in place, but not too tight to be uncomfortable. Now bring the twisted part over your head like a headband and tuck the ends under the twist at the back. This creates a neat and stylish look. This look is perfect for a casual day out or even a coffee date with friends. It's simple yet stylish, making it a go-to for many. Our third style is the elegant knot. It's a little more sophisticated, but still super easy. Perfect for when you want to add a touch of elegance to your outfit. Drape your hijab over your head with one side longer. Make sure it sits comfortably and looks balanced. Tie a loose knot near your neck, and then take the longer end, wrap it around your head, and tuck it in near the knot. This creates a polished and sophisticated look. This style gives you that polished, put-together vibe without much effort. Ideal for professional settings or formal events. Fourth on the list is the boho wrap. Start by placing your hijab on your head with both ends equal. This style is all about that relaxed, bohemian vibe. Cross the ends under your chin and bring them over your shoulders to the back. This creates a secure yet relaxed look. Tie them in a loose knot at the back and let the ends hang down. This gives you a carefree and stylish appearance. This style is perfect for those laid-back, carefree days when you just want to feel comfortable and stylish. Great for festivals, beach days, or just lounging around. Last but not least, the quick pinup. For this one, you'll need just one pin. It's super quick and easy. Drape your hijab over your head with one side longer. This style is perfect for when you're in a hurry. Bring the longer side around your neck and over your head. This creates a secure and stylish look. Pin it at the side and let the rest hang down naturally. This style is both practical and fashionable. This is a great go-to for when you're running late but still want to look fab. Perfect for those busy mornings. And there you have it. 5 stunning hijab styles you can master without a cap. Remember, confidence is key. No matter which style you choose, wear it with pride and confidence. Feel free to mix and match these styles to suit your vibe. Experiment and find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and tutorials. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining.